Hey guys, welcome back to Glass Cow Inc. for another video. Today we are going to be exploding the mini volcano, okay? So, get your volcano and then you are going to need a few supplies. You are going to need some liquid vinegar, distilled white vinegar. This is what this is. You are going to need some baking soda, hammer, Arm & Hammer is a very good one for this. And you are going to just need some dish soap that you use for your dishwasher. This is not necessary. This is just to add on. It makes it really nice and foamy. And if you do, you can add some red food coloring. We do not have any because some of the members of the family are allergic. Okay. So first, what you are going to do is that you are going to put in some baking soda. So the amount doesn't really matter, because the chemical reaction will just be the same, but I'll just tell you, the more vinegar there is, the more I'm gonna explode. This is gonna be so cool, right, Abby?
Yep. Cooler than anything. We can put so much that will like blast off into the tray. And don't forget you always need a tray so it doesn't come onto the newspaper.
Yeah. That's a good amount. Check that. I hope you can see that. Now you are going to take some of your dish soap. Remember, you don't want to add the vinegar yet, because that is like an instant reaction. It's kind of like baking soda and vinegar as Coke and Mentos. Just a little bit. You don't want it to be like overflowing. Okay. Now here comes the fun part. Ready?
Yep. Here it goes.
Okay, here we go. There's nothing. Whoa, that is so cool. And you see, the more vinegar you add, the more of the reaction there will be. Check that out. That will just keep coming. Very cool. As you can imagine, it will look very cool with red food coloring. Just check that out. Let's add a little more baking soda. A little more dish soap. As you can see, it's very fun. Very good for the family. As you can see. Whoa, bubbles!
Whoa!
As you can see, it's not very hazardous, very easy, quick amount of time, and basically everyone has some baking soda and vinegar. If you don't, you can easily get it for about like $5 total. Very cool. I definitely recommend it. If you have a young scientist in the family. Wow, you don't. Take a moment to look at it. There's so much in here, I can't even tell you. It's like, it's slippery.
Yeah, if you put all of that on this, it'll be like blasting off. It'll be like so cool.
Make some bubbles. Why don't you just take a look on how much there is? Look at that.
This we can put them on in there.
Just check this out. It's like milk. There is so much.
Yeah.
So it's a very interesting chemical reaction. So this happens is it's when the baking soda and the vinegar get combined. It makes a reaction which produces carbon dioxide, which expands really quick. So this carbon dioxide escaped from the volcano, and it forms bubbles essentially, which is all this. And when all of it has gone, then when all the carbon dioxide has been finished, it will become flat like you saw, and it will stop erupting. But you can always add more vinegar, and this will elongate the effects. Another method that you can use is you can use lemon juice instead of vinegar, and I challenge you to use this and see if you can get a different result. Please comment below if you've done this experiment before. And this is not actually how volcanoes erupt in real life. There is no baking soda and vinegar involved in a volcanic eruption. It's actually from vents in the Earth's surface, and when they're active, they can shoot out ash, gas, and hot liquid, and this is known as magma. Once the magma comes out of the volcano, it is known as lava. So inside the volcano, it's magma. Outside, it's lava, and lava can flow at a rapid speed. The most lava ever recorded in a single volcanic eruption was in 1783 at the Loki eruption in Iceland. A quarter of the population was killed by the poisonous gases and clouds of ash that resulted in severe destruction of crops and starvation. As you can see, the ash clouds can easily, well, you probably can't see, but obviously they can easily cover the sun, and that could obviously last for months, even years. And a lot of people think that lava is the main culprit for all the destruction, but it is actually the pyroclastic flow, which goes at very high threatening rapid speeds that will completely annihilate the population. Thank you so much for watching Glass Cloud Inc. videos today.